today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your profits from Deriv, the small profits that you've made, withdraw from Deriv to Cheaper Cash. So the first thing is we are going to go to Cheaper Cash. Now here we are at the interface of Cheaper Cash. So we are going to go to invest, which is around here. After coming to invest, we are going to go to crypto at the top right. After going to the top right, so since we are going to withdraw Doges, I'm going to click on Dogecoin. After clicking on Dogecoin, we have sell and buy, but this time around we are going to transfer. So we are going to transfer, we are going to receive Dogecoin, so we are going to click on receive under transfer. On clicking receive, we are greeted with this interface. So at the bottom of the interface, we have wallet address. We copy this address. You see at the top here, it gives you a notification that wallet address copied. So the next thing is we go to Deriv and we initiate our deposit. So we are going to go to Deriv. Now I have like $11.03 which are on top there. I'm going to cash them out also. I'll click on the three dashes on the top right, top left up here. Then I'll go to cash. Then I'll hit on withdraw. I'm greeted with this interface which says please help us verify your withdrawal request. Hit the button below and we will send you an email. We'll send you an email with a link. Click that link to verify your withdrawal request. So I click send, and after clicking send, they're going to tell me to go to my email. So I'll hit straight to my email address. Now under my email address, they are going to this is an email that has just come right now. You've seen 1744. So I'll click on it. After clicking on it, it is this one. So I'll hit on. Before we process your withdrawal, we first need to check that it was you who made the request. Yes, it's me. You click on yes, it's me. They're going to lead you back to Deriv app. Yeah, now this is the last interface that comes. So here we are going to enter to tell you the current balance, the pending request, then available balance. So here I'm going to withdraw my $11.03 dollars. I'm going to select on this is the first step. Then the second step says select a payment method. I select Doge because this is the method I used to deposit. I used to deposit money on my Deriv account. So I'm going to click on make Dogecoin. So after here it says make easy withdrawals using crypto to your fiat. So here the next step will be a Doge address. So I'll long hold here. Then I paste the link that is already in the memory or in the clipboard. So I'll come and hit here and put maybe anything like feeding as my comment. You can put anything. Then you click on request. When you hit on request, you are going to be greeted by this notification bell and this interface which says payout request confirmation. Thank you. After it asks your payout is received. This is the amount. So this is the number you can track just in case it doesn't come to your account. So you wait. On weekends, the money delays. It can take almost like 9 hours or 10 hours, but on a normal day, it can take around 2 to 3 hours when the money has gone to your Cheaper Cash. So allow me end this video now. Bye.